So, you've recently launched your product on Amazon.ae, however, you're not getting any sales. Or you might be thinking of launching a product on Amazon.ae, but what should you do in order to make sure that you start selling from the very first day? All the information in this video, just keep on watching. Yes, this is a problem that most Amazon sellers had to deal with in the past. However, I just want you to know that there is one and several solutions or one or several reasons why your product is currently not selling on Amazon.ae, especially if you decided to do product research and if you're selling a product that other sellers are selling very well on Amazon.ae. It's not your fault, it's not Amazon's fault. There are reasons, and we're gonna talk about 3 reasons in this video, in this quick and short video, just to get you started. If this is your first time watching a video on this channel, hi, my name is Crystal. I'm an Amazon seller and I'm the founder of Amazon Sellers Society Middle East. If you want to know a little bit more about the society and what we do, you can find all the info in the description box below. Before we get started, in each and every video we have a quick competition. If you like to win a strategy call with me over Zoom where we discuss everything related to Amazon, all you need to do is like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment in the comment section below. The person that we selected for this video is the person who did all these things and left this wonderful comment. All you need to do is just drop me a DM on the Instagram account of the society, which is Amazon Sellers Society. Now, are you ready? Let's go. This is going to be a quick video. 3 main reasons why your product might not be selling or why your product is not currently selling on Amazon in the UAE. Reason number 1, people can't find it. What do I mean by that? So when people log into the Amazon platform and they type in the main keyword for your product, they can't find your product. So maybe your product is on page number 2, page number 3, page number 4. However, they don't see it on the first page. If your product is not ranking and your product is not on the first page, you are most probably not gonna get that sale because people tend to not trust products on the second and third page. It's just something in our psychology for some reason. And it's not. Some people actually do go to the second and third page, some customers. However, they tend to not trust products on the second and third page, and you're most likely not going to get a sale if your product is not on the first page. Now, if you do some Amazon research, you will find out that when you do launch your product, it's not going to be on the first page, especially if you are selling a product in a very competitive niche. What should you do in order to rank your product quickly? It's a 3-letter word called PPC, pay per click, which are essentially the ads that you do on the Amazon platform. These ads, if you know how to create them correctly, they will put your product on the first page, even if your real listing is on the 3rd or 4th or 5th page. So when you do PPC ads and you create the right type of ad with the right bidding system, then you will all of a sudden have your product from the very first day on the first page. People will discover it, they will click on it, and hopefully, if your listing is perfect or at a good standard, they will purchase your product. And by doing that over and over and over again, your product will start ranking and your product will be within 7 to 10 days on the very first page. If you want more information about creating PPC ads, if you think that is interesting and you would like me to do a video about it, just leave me a comment in the comment section below so I can film a video dedicated to PPC ads. Reason number 2, why your product might not be selling on Amazon.ae, price. I know this is a very sensitive subject. You might be a seller that has sourced their product from overseas, not from China. You've decided to go the European route, for example, so your product is a much better quality than all the other products on the Amazon platform currently. You've differentiated your product, you created a bundle, whatever you did. However, your price is dramatically different than everybody else. This is a strategy that you need to follow when your product becomes successful. So basically, when you first launch your product, people don't trust you because you don't have reviews. You're only claiming that your product is higher quality than everybody else. You're only claiming that your product does this and that. However, people don't trust those claims unless you have reviews to back that up. How are you going to get reviews if you don't have any sales? So, in the very beginning, you're gonna have to sell at a very similar range to everybody else in your own niche. So let's imagine that you walk into a pharmacy because you decide to buy a vitamin, a certain vitamin, and you look at all the vitamins from the very different brands on the same shelf, and you see that they are very similarly priced. If you see one product that is very cheap compared to everybody else, naturally you're gonna think that that product is lower quality. That's how our psychology works. And if you see a product that is hugely overpriced, you're gonna think twice, like, why is this product very much overpriced? Yes, it might be better quality, but I'm just gonna stick to the regularly priced products. So that's in the very beginning because you have no idea about this product. You've never even heard of it, whether it's a cheap product or a very expensive product. So we wanna use that psychology, and in the beginning, you want your product to be priced very similar to everybody else. Once you get that momentum, once you get those reviews, the reviews can back up what you are claiming in your own listing, you can decide what price you want to sell your product. You can raise it, you can lower it, you can do whatever you want because you have social proof and you have sales momentum. Reason number 3, images. I know this is very obvious. However, images are a very important reason why people might not be purchasing your product. Please remember that people that are currently logging into Amazon know nothing about you as a seller. They don't know about your aspirations for your business and why you decided to open your store on Amazon. They don't know you're doing this in order to create a future for your family or to create additional income. They don't know anything about you. They don't even know anything about the product other than the things that you tell them. That's why you need to make sure that your images are very, very compelling. People need to see images that create the product, that gives the product desirability, that makes it desirable and fun for them to purchase the product no matter what. We don't sell inventions on Amazon. We sell everyday products that people want to use. The number one thing that people want is happiness. People want to feel happy when they purchase or use your product. So for example, if you are selling this whisk, why would somebody buy your whisk versus somebody else's whisk? Maybe you can add images of a family creating a cake and using your fantastic whisk, and all of your family and all of those people, all the family members, happy and smiling because they're using your fantastic whisk. This is the type of imagery that you need to use. Lifestyle images or in-action images. No matter what product you're selling, you can create an experience using images because most people just look at the images and then they look at the copywriting or the bullet points and the product description. If you only have 1 or 2 images, people are not going to bother with figuring out if your product is good quality or not because it automatically looks like it's not good quality. It automatically looks like you didn't make any effort. Now, you might be telling me, well, Crystal, I don't have the resources to find a family and use the whisk. My resources are limited. That's great because you can use websites such as Upwork.com or Fiverr.com and just take those images from your supplier, take the high resolution images from your supplier, and find a very good graphic designer that can transform your images into lifestyle images or anything that you want. Most images that you do see on Amazon are not photos. They're not taken by a photographer. They're actually designed, digitally enhanced images from a really good graphic designer, and you can use both of these websites, Upwork.com or Fiverr.com, to find a graphic designer that can do those things for you at a very limited price. Now, if you want more information about how you can really create a fantastic listing that sells, we have a free webinar training in the description box below. Just click on it and watch it. It's around 35 minutes. You'll get all the details that you want that can help you create a super desirable product that sells. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please make sure that you like it and share it with like-minded people. I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.